Advocates say the number of child abuse cases in Central Oregon has skyrocketed. According to the local nonprofit Kids Center, stressors like financial and health issues are the main reasons for the increase. Another factor, during the pandemic, cases of reported child abuse dropped because kids were not being seen by mandatory reporters. With kids returning to school, the number of cases jumped.
This last year, we have really seen the highest numbers that we have ever seen in the 28 years that we've been open at Kids Center. Life stressors contribute to that, but also we've experienced such a big population growth here in Central Oregon. So with more people coming, there's just going to be a natural increase for the need of our services.
Kids Center staff did not give specific numbers, but expressed concern over the trend. April is Child Abuse Awareness Month. It's had several educational events. Today we also have a look at the impact of another program working to prevent child abuse. Carly Keenan shares the story of a once vulnerable mom who found support at Mountain Star Family Relief Nursery.
The two daughters that I had prior to my son was from a past relationship, and it was very domestically violent. It was very scary. I needed to get out of a bad situation, and Mountain Star was there for me.
Iris Hegland-Light is a mom of 3 who will openly talk about her struggles and the support she found at Mountain Star Family Relief Nursery.
I felt like I was slipping, and not slipping like I'm a careless mother, but I'm slipping because I feel like I'm alone. And I feel like I'm doing this alone.
Mountain Star Family Relief Nursery offers therapy and programs for families stressed by life's demands.
Living in poverty, housing instability, not being able to get food for every family member. It also includes things like parents who are struggling with mental health issues or substance abuse issues, or maybe a parent is facing their own trauma history from their own childhood.
Iris recognized her own vulnerability and knew she wanted a different outcome for her children.
It would have been a mess. I wouldn't have had the help. I wouldn't have had the support. I would have been rock bottom.
Iris's 3 children all went through the nursery relief program and preschool.
I think they'd have a lot of emotional dysregulation issues because of the fact that they have a lot of trauma from what their dad's done to me, and the techniques I've learned here help me communicate with them a lot better.
Mountain Star also helps with basic needs like food and diapers or connecting families to resources.
We know that all of the families that are here, they love their children deeply, and they want to give their children something different. And usually they're just not quite sure how.
It's just refreshing to come here and be like, I'm not alone, I have support.
Iris first heard about the relief nursery while staying at Saving Grace, Central Oregon's domestic violence shelter. Mountain Star offers programs for children until the age of 5, a critical time for supporting parents. Carly Keenan, News Channel 21.